Question number 17. The C language is a option number A, a context-free language. Option number B, a context-free sensitive language. Option number C, a regular language. Option number D, parsable fully only by a Turing machine. Let's discuss for each option. Option number A, a context-free language. A context-free language is a language that can be described by a context-free grammar where the syntax rules do not depend on the context in which they appear. The C language, while it does have a context-free grammar that defines its syntax, also has elements that require context to interpret correctly. For example, the meaning of variable or function call can depend on its declaration or scope, which requires context beyond just the syntax. Therefore, C is not strictly a context-free language, although its syntax can be described by a context-free grammar. Option number B, a context-free sensitive language. This option is correct. A context-sensitive language is a language where the syntax rule depend on context. In C, certain syntactic constructs require context to be interpreted correctly. For example, the meaning of a variable or function call depend on its declaration or scope, making C a context-sensitive language. Option number C, regular language are the simplest class of formal language described by regular expression or finite automata. C's syntax is far too complex to describe solely by regular expression or finite automata. Therefore, C is not a regular language. The last option is parsable fully only by Turing machine. Turing machine are theoretical model of computation that can simulate any algorithmic process. While it's true that a Turing machine could in theory parse the syntax of C, it's not the only way to parse C. In practice, C compilers use more efficient algorithm and technique to parse C code. Therefore, while a Turing machine could parse C, it's not the only way to do so, and it's not the most practical approach. The correct option is B. Option number B, a context-free sensitive language.